Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll demonstrate right here on a Ford F-150 2012 year model. Even if you have a different year, but that generation, the video may be helpful. You guys have two fuse boxes. One, as you know, is under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator. That's the cover right here. But we don't need this one today. We need another one, guys. It's inside the vehicle, the second fuse box. In the passenger side, in the footwell, guys, under the dash, kind of like under the glove box on the right side, you remove, okay, let me go back, you remove that panel right here, you open the fuse box, and it will look like that. We took a picture, we zoomed it so we can clearly show you everything. Now let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, because we've seen people wasting their time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
If you guys, okay, have that option as fog lights, where that fuse is located, you will come from 1, 2, 3, 4, that fourth row of fuses right here, guys. You will need to find fuse number 47. It will be the last fuse on the bottom right here. Now ours, it's missing that one, as you can see, but if you have it, it will be right here. The very last fuse in that fourth row right here will be the one for fog lights on your Ford F1.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.